The sharing of statistics and data in real time was one of the key areas of how we helped inform people during the pandemic. At a national level by informing people of the national spread of COVID-19, but also hospitalisation figures, testing figures, but also on a local level we were able to display the spread of COVID-19 into each community in Ireland, which helped change behaviours and limit the spread of the disease across the country. The benefit of using ArcGIS Online was that it allowed the integration of the vaccination statistics into the existing COVID-19 data hub, but also allowed for the quick turnaround of data by our stakeholders into the open public data forum. It gives me pride to know that our development team who created and developed this content in 2020 is still being in use, and it's still helping to inform the public.
There have been a lot of technological developments over the past 2 years which will lead to the ability to produce better hubs faster in the future. That technology is now being used to deal with other situations that have arisen, such as the Ukrainian refugee crisis, how we handle that. And again, that's an interdisciplinary activity between ourselves and various public sector partners.
The next evolution of the hub, really, I think it's more the evolution of the hub concept and everything that went with it. The technology and the skills are there. It's the political will and the social capital. That's actually the real infrastructure pieces that are needed from here.
We're seeing adaptations of the hub technology being used to address things like the climate crisis, planning and housing crisis, and various other pieces of work that are going on across both public and private sector in Ireland.
I think everybody who's involved, either directly or indirectly from Esri Ireland, knew the importance of the work that was being done.
Being part of a team, and not just within Esri Ireland, but a broader group of people, and it was just fantastic to be part of this group that was all working together and producing something so worthwhile and something so vital.
It was great to see collaboration from all different companies and different sources of information.
The teamwork was one of the key things that came across, and it wasn't just within Esri Ireland that was a teamwork, it was interagency teamwork.
It was multidisciplinary, there was a lot of people involved, and we were really building the first few iterations of the hub that we could then transfer over to the operational team here at Esri Ireland to keep it fed and watered with statistics as time went on.
We were providing real-time information to the people who are working on the front line, and that helped to prevent the spread of COVID and help people to keep people safe.
Friends and family say, "Oh, I saw the COVID data on the hub, do you know about this?" And you can say, yes, I've worked on this and I know about it. So it's really nice to be able to talk about it in that way.